Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Psychological and biological factors can influence our attraction to others in various ways. While there is no definitive answer to why people fall in love, there are several factors that may play a role. Physical appearance. Our initial attraction to someone often begins with their physical appearance. Factors such as symmetry, familiarity, and indications of health and genetic diversity can influence our preferences. Personality. Beyond physical appearance, personality traits also play a significant role in attraction. Similarities in values, beliefs, attitudes, and interests can indicate compatibility and a shared worldview. Traits like warmth, humor, intelligence, confidence, and trustworthiness are often desirable. Hormones. Chemicals like dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, and vasopressin are released in the brain when we experience feelings of love and attraction. These chemicals contribute to feelings of euphoria, bonding, and loyalty, as well as affect our behavior and physiology. Attachment style. Our attachment style, shaped by early childhood experiences with caregivers, influences how we form and maintain relationships. Different attachment styles, such as secure, anxious, avoidant, or fearful, can impact our choice of partners and the quality of our relationships. Proximity. Physical distance or proximity plays a role in attraction. People we interact with frequently or are geographically close to may have a higher likelihood of evoking stronger feelings of attraction due to increased exposure and familiarity. Similarity. People tend to be more attracted to those who have similarities with them, such as demographic factors, age, race, religion. Personality traits, physical appearance, and behavior. Similarities can foster a sense of understanding, validation, and reduce potential conflicts. Reciprocity. The principle of reciprocity suggests that we are more attracted to people who show interest and positive feelings towards us. When someone reciprocates our feelings, it boosts our self-esteem and motivates further pursuit of the relationship. Mystery. A sense of mystery or unpredictability in someone's behavior or communication can spark intrigue and interest. Mystery adds an element of challenge, excitement, and stimulates imagination and fantasy. It's important to note that these factors are not exhaustive or deterministic, and individual experiences of love can vary. Love is a personal and subjective experience that depends on various variables and circumstances. Understanding your own feelings and communicating honestly with your partner is crucial in navigating relationships. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on more thought, music. Until next time, spread love and positivity. Join our amazing community. See you soon.